Ma'am, welcome to another episode ko. Ngasi se thumbnail dagi ubiramani ngasi se leg day ne leg workout day type ko. Ngasi today is Wednesday. Aduga video sina Thursday da thagal lage ba. Aduga aina hajaning is dieting se it's been 5 days. Aina how journey how we were fat loss journey how we were in mangani phare. Aduga dieting jadum continue to ribu. Dieting hayadi kasu jam ka hen benate low calorie diet to follow to zabne kasu hen ba kasu yaw debu ko. Aduga gym session ki oiragadi I think 3 sessions aina kata ngari bu ko. Friday amal lere aduga Saturday the leg ama sanare aduga Monday da ama sanare aduga charaw bagi suti am lere aduga ngasi Wednesday ko ngasi leg day type adu nahan Saturday da leg sana give ne ba adugi leg sana give bagi muscle pain di hoji phol lei gi ko diet se low calorie da sabani na keno to ngam da recover to ngam da ba ni na khalle ko ado ma'am ngasi se leg day am ta sale yam di ware muscle soaring adai lam khot pa ma'am phawre ko diet se the I ma'am the share tawjadri se ai isamak su experiment tawjari ni hidden trial ki have to experiment tawjari ni shi ki sai angon da apply tawar kan da successful ore har kan da ma'am da matang sa kan da share tawjar ke ngasi ki di leg day ni na leg day gym yor kan da ai gi workout to keno to uchara ge kai kai sanai do uchara ge aduna ma'am gym da thengna si ma'am music akoi gym da yore gym ngasi se leg day type ko leg pai kanda stretching hana tawni stretching is very important and stretching han khat tawni ngasi ki chart ki matung inna ngasi se ahamba da ko front leg extension second the rear leg extension and the mathang da walking lunges mathang da squat pai dune the stretching hojal
any exercises, any workout tawdrikanda stretching tawba habse yamna important oiribagi maram se karigino haragadi akhoi haksang sida yauriba functional joints mayam se lubricate tawhanba mobility henkat hannaba mobility henkat pana akhoi da exercise manung da injury da gi ngaktok pangamgani aduga amasung akhoi wakhan sida akhoi se exercise howdore habagi preparedness adu stretching amasung warming up sina brain da automatically signal lama pi indicate to we that we are going to start our exercise habse aduna important yam oi stretching se mayam su to biu minute mari manga matam lobi raga stretching se yamna fazana mamutana munna to biu ai sigi video sida di yam fazana ucha direct maram di yo si yam sangani aduga stretching tawraga leibudo yeng the viewers mayam boring to ani aina matik hapsabani didi mayam athangi exercise ta mo amingashi
spikes your feet the cover-ups on your knees
front ai ahanba exercise front leg extension sida aina khong namana hana hol ski maram di season ai gi warming up se ni low calorie diet ama follow tawbani energy deficit automatic lay aigi hana solaga leramba joints ma'am warming up tawraga tapna momentum build tawraga makha taba exercising so pangthok ke haidna ina warming set ama hapjabani
shout be right here and listen to your voice.
Masigi khwaidagi waba exercise khwaidagi challenging oiba exercise hairagadi walking lunges oire aduga pump su yam fadana lae with beginner yauragadi walking lunges dagi hana hobiganu simple lunges hana tawraga aduga comfortable oire hairakanda you can move on to walking lunges the dumbbell hana tawbiu adu matungda barbell am tawbiu.
So darling, when there's nothing left to say, I'll still be here for you along the way. I'll still be here for you along the way. I'll still be here for you along the way. I'll still be here for you. I'll still be here for you. I'll still be here for you along your way. Talk to me, show me all that hurts you deep. Soak my shirt in all your tears, so I can talk with you. Breathe to me, tales of things that haunt your dreams. Set the brush and paint the scene, so I can breathe with you. The gravel spikes your feet, the cloth wraps on your knees. So darling, when the rain comes crashing in, I'll be right here and listen to you sing.
Sampras fat loss yam kanai go sina ning mong da sina bi ai empty stomach ta thang sina biganu sampras fat loss ta ai ge na din sampras ai ge dum am sina ai tar